Right.
Oh my god.
Go on. Yeah, we're holding out the mic.
Oh my god. It is actually based upon.
Okay.
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 Okay. Excuse me. Based on
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Man,
Right.
is this okay?
Absolutely. Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh,
Now onto the yeah.
I gotta turn on my joins.
Can we hear about the theories that us cat and bird theory has created? Dodo is not that. Could you tell me what happened in episode 1? Could you please tell me what happened in episode 1? Okay. Yes, we're finally getting explained. We're finally getting it. It was a joke episode. What the flip? What the flip, bro? Oh man. Right. Yeah.
This is amazing. Oh my god.
Just hold on, I'm watching Cat and Bird.
Let me think.
Why'd the whole scene change when Bird was going on a rant? Why the entire scene change? Was it like his inner monologue? Okay, yeah. So I was right. Okay, right.
My friend Milo joins just so they could watch this. This is beautiful.
Episodes are not dreams. Okay. How did Cat get revived? In episode Dodo summons the ghost. Oh.
Milo, over here, Milo. Hi. This is an amazing show. You're gonna love this, dude. You are gonna love this.
Dog.
Dog will not be discussed. Talk about Twitter may or may not appear. Dog.
Okay.
I have a.
Why not?
Why?
Why Flamingo?
Dog is like a bad person.
But we mentioned Flamingo.
Twitter may not appear. Flamingo.
What happened to Flamingo? That's the next lore. That's the next lore. Flamingo.
Okay.
Flamingo is the next lore thing.
Cheeto Puff. I don't care. You know I don't like Cheeto Puff. Shake my head. You gotta put Cheeto Puff on a diet.
Did Flamingo die and then Dodo like summons
Doesn't look like I have any
Flamingo
cheeks.
as a ghost?
Shake my head.
Yes.
Yes. Are there any bat characters?
Evil Sequel exploded in a plane crash. What?
Only if you think hard enough. I don't think there was any like bad characters. If it means like evil characters, yeah, sure. But I don't think they were badly written. They wouldn't miss
Are there
that
any
out.
bat characters?
Wow. Okay.
You don't see episode. Ooh, what's it gonna be? I'm curious. Nope, no. I don't think Kaz gonna have that. What a relief!
Damn.
Get Cheeto Puff out my face.
All right.
Okay. So now I'm a hamster.
Bro, Tree Man, you
Where'd
needed
Cat
to
go?
watch episode 1 and like episode 2. Like,
Oh.
bro. It was crazy.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up, bud?
It's peak cinema. It's
What's
peak
up,
cinema.
bud?
We are watching peak cinema
What are
right
you
now.
looking at?
Me and Traffic Cone has been here since episode 1.
Is this series on YouTube?
Yes. Answer the question that Traffic Cone said. Did did you like the theory
Cheetah Puff
team's
City was
theories?
Uh, I don't like Cheetah Puff, so that sentence goes under my radar.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
I can't actually do them.
Thank you, cat. Thank you, cat. Thank you, cat.
Thank you, cat. What?
Thank you,
Wait,
cat.
if
Thank you,
this
cat.
is wait, this
Thank
is on
you, cat.
YouTube. What's the name called? I want to catch up on the series.
450 IK is archiving these. No, 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 no. This guy's huge. 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 No, 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 no. He's gonna.
President.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
I don't think I remember seeing
Tags.
Dog in episode 1. I don't think Dog was in
Not.
episode 1. Yeah. Yeah, I figured it was mostly improv. I figured. Damn.